Teacher Anne to award the Miss Charity. And may we call on Miss Lara Parisotto to award the Miss the Voice of Domestic Workers 2025. She could join us here.
Miss Charity 2025 goes to Mercy.
It's a great honor, a great responsibility to announce to you all the winner of the Miss The Voice of Domestic Workers 2025. All of our competitors were absolutely brilliant. I think we can all agree, and the judges, we all had a really difficult choice to make. But it's with great joy that I will announce that Alzoa Alawano
Voice of Domestic Workers. Just to announce to everyone, this is not just a title. It has big responsibility for the voice of domestic workers. But I would like to congratulate on behalf of our Director Marisa. We would like to congratulate all our candidates. You are all winners, and well done. We are looking forward for our Miss The Voice of Domestic Workers to be the ambassador of the voice of our domestic workers and be in front of the campaign to restore the migrants' domestic workers' rights. And for our Miss Charity, what we are looking for you is to have projects how you can help the charity to get working with the fundraising group. So thank you again. Good evening, everyone.